So, I am ready to deliver that machine. I mean, not fully ready, but I have kept my customer waiting for long enough, and I believe it's good enough to work. I just present it to her and give it to her, and we'll see how well she can work with it. The biggest issue I still have is temperature control. I am over swinging the temperature and I can't really precisely hold the temperature, and that's what's bothering me. And it leads to other unpleasant side effects. It's because when I'm heating up the liquid after the pump, it might locally start boiling a bit, which makes vapor, which then pushes out some liquid into the bottle, even if I'm not dosing. Same if you have some air in the system. The air, when you heat it up, will also expand much more than the liquid. And so the whole heater situation is not perfect. But I have something working. And in the end, it's the customer who decides if it's good enough, if it works or not. Let me show you. Here we have the web interface because I am connected to the ESP32 over there. And what I have here is like a management of all the products you want to fill, right? And then there's also a calibration menu. There's some details about the variables of the machine. And here we have the touchscreen, and we have the 3 filling lines, 3 pumps, 3 little bottles, which are empty right now. Let's make sure, because I tried before, filling a full bottle is not a good idea. And then I can go press start here, and it will fill the little bottle. And the thing is, now I could go to another liquid where I have the temperature set to 80, as you can see here. And if I press start on this one, it will first start preheating. We'll see the temperature rising soon. Yeah, now it starts rising. Now, as a side effect, you see here the first bubbles who start coming out, which is the one problem I have, because now it starts filling the bottle already. And now I start the pump. And so I basically filled half the bottle with cold water out of the hose and the other half with hot water. So that's not ideal. But let's try again. Now that everything is heated up, I start again. Again, it heats up again to reach the target value of 80. And now it fills the little bottle. Actually, it's pretty good. And yeah, it's somehow hot, but controlling this temperature with this temperature is probably not a good idea, because I'm probably a bit far away from my target value. But at least I can fill little bottles, and I have to check with the customer how important it is to have it filled hot and to have a precise temperature. But at least it will simplify filling these little bottles a lot compared to doing it manually. So that is the primary goal. Now we'll see how the talk with the customer goes. It's gone. It's out with the customer, and I hope it doesn't come back too soon. In the end, it's real-world testing that will tell me what exactly I need to improve. I mean, of course, the temperature control is an issue. I mean, I'll see. But another project I can put on the back burner for now and keep in the back of my mind how I could improve it. Hope you had fun watching, and next project is coming for sure.